Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see, I look ridiculous. In this video, I'm going to be harvesting red ant eggs. As you can expect, that's going to go pretty badly for me. The reason I'm doing this is the village has voted. I've been around the village and I've asked the village what they want to see. Seeing as I'm living there, I'm living in their humble abode, and they said go and harvest ant eggs. Jesus! I'll be honest guys, I'm shitting myself. But let's go find some nests. Let's get this over and done with. I hope, soft to work I go. Well, we found a big one. Here we go. I'm gonna help because it's really high. Oh, that's good. It's gonna land on me bloody head now. Huh? Oi! Huh? Oh, you can pour them all out. Fucking. Any ant eggs? Oh. Jesus! No. They are. You bastards! We're dancing. Ah!
Oi!
Oh! Oh!
ไม่มี
ไม่มี
บอกไม่มีนี่ไง
Oh! Fuck! Well, we thought we didn't have any, but we do. Okay. Bye bye. Let's have you little gits. Right. Ease her in. Ease her in. Is that above it? I'm pretty sure that's breaking it. They're going everywhere. Okay. Okay. What have we got? Me! Oh! Why me? Rightio. This is fucking stupid. Ah! Oh! Ah! Yeah? Oh. Okay. Hey. Oh, ah! Go on, hey, poke it. Here she is. Steve Irwin.
Having fun.
Go on. Well, they didn't say there was going to be like some sort of tribal acceptance, but here we have it. We have collected some Isan caviar, red ant eggs as I know it, devil's nests. Bastard. Oh. Right, I'm fed up of that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to cook these eggs. So the one person I trust the most in this whole village is Nadoi. Nadoi is like the oracle of Thai food in this village. And she's going to cook the lab. So a lab is a Thai salad. So it's a hot Thai salad essentially. So let's go and find out how to cook this dish. Okay, so we're at Nadoi's house. We've got all the ingredients around us. So here's the harvest. It's cling film, so all the little blighters don't escape. So first step. What's the first step? So I got my other half behind the camera here. So she's gonna tell me. She's gonna translate basically what Nadoi's saying. So first step.
We're gonna wash all the vegetables right there.
So lemongrass, spring onions, and coriander in the bowl, yeah, and then we'll give that a good wash. All right. Okay, so do I need all these spring onions?
เอาหมดเลยไหม
Or
Just that.
and then coriander? How many?
เอาเยอะไหมอันเนี้ย
แค่นี้ก็แค่นี้แหละ
นี่
อันนี้มันบีบ
Okay. Okay, go wash these. A little country kitchen. Wow, super fresh, super fresh. Just like the ant eggs. There we go. Okay. Okay, next step. What, nice and fine or chunky or nice and fine? Dry my hands. Look. Okay, spring onions first. Where's it all going?
ขอจานหน่อยนะต่อย
It's all going in the pan, is it?
It's going to the pot เอาจานด้วย in a bowl
Okay, so not quite what I'm used to in the professional kitchens, but I know what I'd rather. So we're just chopping up spring onions, nice and small. Are we gonna use all the green as well? Everything, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, smells nice. Okay, so that's the spring onions. Let's get rid of the little ends there. In here. So just nice and fine. There we go. Coriander?
Yeah.
I'm assuming we're using all the root and stuff as well, yeah?
We're not using the root, just the
Just the leaf. So just a one chop through, yeah?
yeah.
Nice. I love how Thai cooking is just full of herbs. This is it's the way it should be. By the way, most of this stuff is from Auntie Doi's garden, so I'll give you a little tour around the garden soon. Okay, with this one, how much are we using?
เอาเยอะไหม
ไม่เยอะขนาดนี้มัน
Just like a little bit. นี่
ทำแบบกดเป็นกระแทก
With that?
นะ
Yeah. Super strong, obviously, so we're only going to use like a thumbnail's worth. We'll take that off, chop it in half. I'm assuming.
No,
Huh?
just like that.
Just like that on the pish, yeah. Enough?
พอไหม Yeah.
Okay. Hom. Hom. Okay, next.
ไปก็เอานี่ใส่นี่เลยมาเข้าว่าอะไรเราจะทำ
Next one is the arm eggs.
โอ้อันหันไหนยวง
Oh, shallot first.
Shallot.
Yeah.
โอ้ปอกเปลือกมัน
Okay, so we're just peeling a couple of shallots. You know, for this amount of ant eggs, we don't need a lot of ingredients. So, Nadal's just told me I just need like 3 shallots. So these are red. These are like the Thai red shallots. So a lot milder, sweeter to eat raw, because these will be pretty much raw.
จวด
Oh, there's one.
Running around.
ยิ่งความงามอีกคือไม่ตั้งเลย
Seeing what you taste good with. You dare bite me, I've had enough of that. Next, I'm eating you. Ah.
แต่วันกินสด
Next one that comes on my board, I'm just going to eat. Okay, good, yeah? Straight in here? I told you.
Go on, try one.
Told you I would.
ๆเนี่ยนะ
Have some of that.
Okay.
Got you back.
Next
Okay.
one.
อ่ะ
We can do all the mix first.
Sorry.
Nana's gonna do that.
Just got ant eggs stuck in my teeth.
อ่ะอันนี้
Hmm?
อันมันนี่บีบี
A little bit of that.
มืออัน
นี่
เด้อบีบี
Like that?
พ่อ
Oh, Paul. Okay. Leg.
Next one. Not like gonna
Yeah, go for it.
do that.
So right. Ow. Go and get off. Ow! Just bit my finger. Okay, right. Get closer there before we get eaten alive. Let's get them cooked before they eat us. Okay, so chili. So we just have blah rah. So we started off with a little bit of water, and then there's blah rah in there.
อะไรน้ำ
Don't worry. Okay, so a little bit of MSG, of course. So this is roasted rice powder. So what's this called in Thai?
ข้าวคั่ว
Khao kua. Lovely nutty flavour on that. That's basically what lab is all about. That roasted nutty flavour, the lime, the fish sauce, the herbs, all sorts. Okay. Auntie Joy, the oracle. Now with this lab, do we heat it up?
We don't need to heat it up.
We don't need to.
Okay.
ใช่
Wow, look at that. So that's the eggs in. So
You wanna taste?
yeah, let's go for it. Let's taste it. Or we gonna get any rice or not? No.
ไปไปนะเดี๋ยวไปกับน้องกอบจ้า
Chim.
ให้จอดชิม เป็นไงจอดมะนาวยังไม่ใส่
Wow.
ฮะว่าง นะจอดมะนาวไม่มีน้ำเลย
ไม่มีน้
ไม่มีน้ำเลย
ำ นี่ another one นี่พอ
นี่เอานี่ก็
นี่
เองว่าหวาน
อืม Where's my board gone? Okay. Take 2 on the line.
ไม่มีน้ำอีกนึงแล้วมะนาวไม่ผ่าน
Well, it's a season for ant eggs, but probably not limes by the looks of it. Oh yeah. It's weird. It's like creamy, but it's like lemon sherbet at the same time. Okay, chim chim. Mmm.
เป็นไง
Alright, Mark. Alright.
อร่อยอ่ะเสร็จแล้วมั้ย อ่ะเอาใส่ถ้วยไปกินที่นี่
Well. Okay, so we're just gonna give you a little walkthrough where we are and where we're cooking and kind of see a bit of village life, to be honest. So I'll take you through Nadoy's house. We'll see the kitchen, and then we'll go to the garden as I promised, and I'll show you the galangal, the lemongrass, the makrut leaf, all sorts. So stay with me, guys. Here we go. So here's the little country kitchen. So wash up. Tighten. And then we've got the country kitchen, so super simple, but look at that. Actually quite incredibly set up. Mise en place in the corner there. So where we just cook the lab, I'll come through. We'll go see the makrut. There's the makrut leaves. So that's what she picks, and then she'll cook as and when. There's a little red ant's nest there. Don't want to see them for a while. Then we come through. We've got papaya. So the famous papaya. For that tom-tam salad for days. And then chickens. Come through this way, and we have lots of things around us. We've got kapow, so Thai holy basil. We've got lemongrass, galangal behind that. So this is galangal, and if we come right down to the root, obviously when we dig this up, you get that whole hand of galangal. There's lemongrass bushes everywhere. Okay guys, so that's the garden, that's the lab, that's me getting bitten by 10 million red ants. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, smash the like button and subscribe please. It means a lot to me, and there's plenty more of these episodes in the working. So ciao for now.